Welcome, fellow Weldco Beales sales team members, support staff, and purchasing teams. We are excited to have everyone here today to discuss some of the exciting ideas we have to kick off the next quarter. Today, I'd like you to join me in welcoming the rest of our team of Autumn Clark, Isha Niger, Jezreel Segales, and myself, Byron Murawski. Do I have to tell you guys who Weldco Beales is? We are all dedicated employees of this fantastic company. We are the bucket kings. We are the attachment titans of the heavy duty industry. We deliver the capability so that companies can move steel and earth. But we are not identified by the products that we make. Most of our products are customized to the client's needs. We are in fact known for our superior customer service and performance. As many of you know, Gary Brown has decided to take up a new work location in Mexico. His years of hard work and loyalty has earned him that right, but it's now up to us to make the remaining of the 2023 year a dynamic one. The work must go on here in Canada, boots on the ground and not in the sand, Gary. While Weldco Beales has been navigating challenges post-COVID with as much grace as possible, challenges regarding supplies and materials, pricing, availability, and systemic stress are economical and unavoidable. Weldco's mission is still to continue to grow in a competitive market with structured increase in year-over-year sales. We want to rebuild our inventory and dedicate more resources to prioritize products. And lastly, correct areas of stress caused by COVID that are no longer required. Before Gary departed for Mexico, he conveyed in confidence to us a few areas he wished he could have improved upon. The challenge Gary noticed was a little bit more internal. He wished he would have had us come together a little bit more when the times got tough. It was evident that our internal communications were at an all-time high when they should have been focusing a little bit more on customer service and satisfaction. The risen discussions became unnecessary as the answers were already at our fingertips. We have a few ideas on how to get us back on track and back on the phone with our clients. Now, our system is great, but what is a system without accurate data? Now, it's up to us to clean up this data and learn how to use it again, which takes us to education. We gave everyone a rigorous tutorial and training years ago, but the system has undergone several updates, and we know it can answer so many questions without having to go around the system. Lastly, we believe our recommendation will allow you to get back to doing what you do best, which is delivering a great product to by an effective team.
Hi everyone, my name is Jezreel, and I'm going to talk about the analysis, the decision criteria, and I'm going to introduce the three alternatives. So to start off, we want to address the critical challenge that our organization, Weldco Beales, is facing. So it's a challenge that deeply intertwined with some substantial investment we've made to enhance our efficiency. So over the past few years, we've dedicated significant resources amounting to thousands of dollars just to implement the robust CRM software programs designed to improve our customer tracking and coding. In addition, we've taken the strategic step of adopting Business Central ERP software to streamline our material ordering, handling, project tracking, and asset management. So the core objective behind these investments was clear, and that is to reduce the burden of unnecessary communication within our organization. CRM was supposed to enhance our customer relationship management, while ERP was expected to make our material handling more efficient. Now, here's the challenge we're facing. So despite these substantial investments, our sales team continues to grapple with a persistent communication overload. It's quite clear that the intended benefit of CRM and ERP have not fully materialized. Proper data management should have lightened the load on our communication channels, and it should have provided our sales team with a comprehensive repository of critical information. However, here's the irony in the situation. There's a disconnect between our investment and the operational inefficiencies we're witnessing. We anticipated a reduction in communication reliance, but instead sales appears to be bypassing the system, placing additional burdens on our purchasing and administrative staff. The impact of this disconnect is significant. It's not just a technological challenge, but it's affecting our operational efficiency. Also, the over-reliance on traditional communication channels is straining our resources and slowing us down. So this case forces us to confront a thought-provoking conundrum in the realm of modern organizational dynamics. It calls for a critical examination of how even substantial investments in cutting-edge technology can fall short when not harmoniously aligned with internal processes and communication dynamics. So where do we go from here? The solution lies in optimizing our internal processes. We must ensure that our CRM and ERP systems seamlessly integrate into our workflows. So we would like to emphasize the critical decision criteria that we believe should carry more weight. Given the challenges we've been facing, it's essential that we prioritize criteria that directly address our primary issues and align with our goals. So the first one is the cost-benefit analysis. We understand the importance of making financially sound decisions. So we'll prioritize solutions that offer the most significant value for the resources we invest, ensuring that we get a clear return on our investment. For efficiency improvement, this is at the forefront of our decision-making process. So our organization is grappling with communication overload, and prioritizing efficiency will help us streamline processes, reduce workload, and ultimately work smarter, not harder. For communication enhancement, improving our inter-organizational communication is pivotal. By making this a priority, we aim to reduce confusion, enhance collaboration, and empower our team to make well-informed decisions. For employee training and support, so to ensure the success of any new technologies and systems, we're prioritizing availability of training and support resources. Our team's ability to effectively use these tools is paramount, and will provide the necessary resources to make that happen. So as we move forward, these decision criteria will guide us in making choices that directly address our challenges while aligning with our broader goals and objectives. By giving more weight to these criteria, we're confident that in our ability to navigate the complex landscape ahead and drive meaningful improvements for Weldco Beales. So how can we solve this? So we would like to introduce 3 alternative solutions that we've thoroughly considered to address the communication overload challenges we've been facing. These alternatives aim to streamline our processes, reduce unnecessary communication, and enhance efficiency. Our first alternative involves the implementation of refined communication protocols. The second alternative proposes a deeper restructuring of our existing protocols. Our third alternative is a forward-looking solution. We propose the establishment of a cloud-based skill shop with Beales software capabilities. So each of these alternatives presents unique benefits and considerations. We'll thoroughly discuss the merits, challenges, and potential outcomes of each alternative to make an informed decision that align with our organizational goals. By addressing the communication overload challenge head-on, we aim to enhance our operational efficiency and empower our team to work more effectively.
Hello, everyone. I'm Autumn, and I'm going to be discussing the 3 alternatives. I'm going to be using the words alternatives and recommendations interchangeably. So first, we want to look at communication. The communication between the sales team and the purchasing and administration team. In this recommendation, we're going to establish clear and standardized communication protocols between both of your departments, focusing on minimizing any of this unnecessary contact and communication that's been going on. So we're going to implement regular cross-functional meetings. These meetings will serve as the foundation for the successful collaboration between both of your departments. The meetings are going to make sure that everyone working in these departments has the material they need to stay informed with the need to know information. A typical meeting will include discussions about ongoing orders, forecasts, and any challenges that you've been having. It's important that your departments have a comprehensive understanding of each of your roles and responsibilities in order to keep operations running smoothly. So the second recommendation would be to restructure protocols and relationships between the sales department and the purchasing and administration departments. So management staff from both departments will have a meeting with human resources to review the Weldco company policies, and that'll also allow them to voice any concerns within either department. So this alternative will emphasize the sales department and the purchasing department's current familiarity with the ERP software that's currently not really being utilized by the sales team specifically. So we're going to do an internal investigation to determine why the ERP system is really being utilized effectively by the sales department, and how effectively that the purchasing department is utilizing it. So we're going to offer refresher training sessions. This will be conducted in person, and we'll be bringing in some trainers from the ERP software provider. These sessions will not only be a review, but also an opportunity for any of our staff to ask questions and voice any concerns with the trainers so that they can bring that concern to the developer. Our goal here is going to be to equip staff with updated knowledge, enabling you to navigate the system more effectively and understand your own individual role in each of the departments within. So the objective is to reduce the need for cross-department communication, freeing up time for the sales department to do what they do best, like building customer relationships with our new and our dedicated clients. So our third recommendation we're going to be talking about today is establishing a cloud-based skill shop, and it'll be a video software academy library. So the academy will host interactive and engaging training videos and quizzes to improve employees' skill set and efficiency with their department and reduce errors as well. So first, management's going to watch the videos and the modules to gain an understanding of the information being provided. And then they're going to track their department staff's progress to make sure that the training's being completed and that everybody's understanding the material as well. So the training can be done during work hours if time permits, or it can be done at anyone's leisure. So by offering flexible training, we can accommodate different work schedules and self-paced learning preferences.
Hi everyone, I'm Isha, and today we are excited to introduce a game-changing initiative that will reshape Weldco Beales manufacturing, or WBM. We have identified the pressing challenge of our sales team heavily relying on communication, leading to operational inefficiencies and overburdening our purchasing and administrative staff, but we do have a strategic solution in mind. Our proposal revolves around the establishment of a cloud-based skill shop video academy, a cutting-edge platform that will empower our employees to enhance their skills, promote self-paced learning, and improves our overall operational efficiency. This innovative platform offers flexible learning hours, self-assessment quizzes for immediate feedback, milestone deadlines for motivation, and progress tracking for independent learning journeys. The benefits of this are significant, ranging from collective capabilities enhancement to engage visual content and improve employee morale and productivity. Moreover, we anticipate substantial cost savings and competitive advantage in the market. Implementation is quite straightforward, involving the creation of a comprehensive library promoting self-directed learning and actively involving management in the process to foster a culture of continuous improvement. This initiative not only addresses our current challenges, but also empowers our sales team and ensures enduring success for WBM. In our comprehensive 90-day implementation plan, we have strategically mapped out the steps to create and manage our training program. In the initial 30 days, establish a cross-function team, define clear objectives, and carefully choose a user-friendly program. We will then proceed to develop tailored content, conduct needs assessment, and set up a structured curriculum. As we progress into our 60-day phase, our plan is to ensure seamless user experience by confirming user accounts and introducing milestone deadlines for motivation. Launching the program organization-wide, we will actively involve our sales teams and employees while collecting valuable feedback to fine-tune the program. In the final 90-day phase, we will closely monitor employee progress, engage in regular team meetings, and seek insights from departmental leadership, and maintain alignment with our organizational objectives. We will diligently track completion rates, provide essential technical support, and initiate robust feedback loop to refine the program further. Ultimately, we will introduce a rewarding system to recognize and incentivize successful completion, ensuring our training initiative continually evolves and contributes to our organizational growth.
Welcome, fellow Weldco Beales